Welcome, guys. I am Laura Wilson, and you are watching Car Focus on Jexton Electric. After a long wait, the new Tesla Model Y is finally here, packed with exciting upgrades. Join me as I take you through all the changes, both the obvious and the hidden ones. Click subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next edition. Starting at the front, the first thing you'll notice is the full-width LED light bar. This design, inspired by the Tesla Cybercab, not only differentiates the Model Y from previous years, but also from the Model 3. The light bar combines the daytime running lights and the headlights, giving the front a futuristic look. A noticeable feature here is the front camera addition, which you can see right here. This camera has a self-cleaning function that uses a water jet to keep the lens clear at all times. One key point to note is that, unlike the Model 3, the Model Y still retains its side vents and fog lights, along with the large central vent. The side profile of the new Model Y remains largely unchanged, with one notable exception: the sleeker side mirror design. Tesla has added a subtle line within the mirrors. This adds another line to this car's design. The Model Y has gotten an updated suspension system, offering a smoother handling, added comfort, more responsive steering, and a quieter ride. This retuned suspension is sure to elevate the driving experience of this car. As for the wheels, there are two options available: 19-inch standard wheels with wheel covers, and the second option are the 20-inch Nova wheels, inspired by the Model 3 but slightly larger. The new Model Y measures 4,797 millimeters in length, 1,920 millimeters in width, and 1,624 millimeters in height, with a wheelbase of 2,890 millimeters. Notably, it's 47 millimeters longer and 1 millimeter narrower than its predecessor. Additionally, there's a new color option, Glacier Blue, which is lighter than the current metallic blue and equally stunning. Tell me what you think in the comments. For me, I love the metallic blue. Let's move to the back of the vehicle. We've become somewhat accustomed to this design after many leaks, but it's exciting to see it officially revealed by Tesla. The rear light bar has a very cool look. It features the first reflective body panel taillight of its kind, which doesn't shine in the usual way we expect. Instead, it has a more impressive glow effect. The C-shaped taillights are similar to those on the Model 3. The rear camera is fully integrated right above the light bar. As promised, I will show you every hidden feature. You'll notice from the side profile that the rear diffuser extends further out than before when viewing the car from the side. The cargo area now offers a capacity of 2,138 liters with the rear seats folded, a reduction of 20 liters from the previous 2,158 liters. It still provides an impressive level of practicality for everyday use. Let's turn our attention to the interior and take a closer look at all the changes Tesla has made. While it bears some resemblance to the Model 3, it feels distinct in its own way. The ambient lighting in the Model Y extends from the dashboard and continues halfway into the front doors, eventually flowing seamlessly into the rear doors. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere inside the cabin, perfect for night drives. The new dashboard design is both minimalistic and futuristic, featuring more angular lines and a sleek appearance. The front seats are easily one of my favorite upgrades in this car. The sides are more contoured, offering better lateral support, which is perfect for spirited drives or winding roads. These seats also come with ventilated perforations, allowing cool air to flow through and keeping you refreshed during hot days. And when the weather turns chilly, the built-in heating function ensures you stay warm and comfortable. It's a thoughtful upgrade that enhances both luxury and practicality. The familiar all-glass roof remains, providing that signature open and airy feel. As for the interior options, Tesla continues to offer black and white color options, but the white interior now includes more white accents than before, enhancing its brightness. The new steering wheel is definitely an exciting update, At first glance, it appears to be a stockless design with buttons seamlessly integrated into the wheel itself. But look closer, and you'll notice Tesla has included a blinker stalk, an essential feature that makes everyday driving much more convenient. What do you think about this design? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's move to the center console. It features two wireless chargers, a sliding tray that reveals two cup holders, additional storage, and a USB-C port. This armrest opens up to provide even more storage space, ensuring there's plenty of room. The front screen has grown slightly larger, now measuring 15.4 inches compared to the previous 15 inches, thanks to slimmer bezels. This upgrade not only enhances the viewing experience, but also makes Tesla's new visualizations look even better. With just a simple tap on the screen, you can open the front trunk, which to me seems a bit larger than before. Did you notice that too? Share your thoughts in the comments. Speaking of screens, let's move to the rear. Rear passengers now have access to an 8-inch screen, allowing them to watch their favorite shows or play games. This is a fantastic upgrade that adds entertainment and convenience for your kids and rear passengers. As for the rear seats, they've received a notable enhancement. Previously, you could fold them down manually using buttons in the rear and then slam them into place. Now these seats are powered. You can fold them down or raise them back up at the press of a button. It's a thoughtful touch that makes the Model Y even more user-friendly. Let's dive into the impressive performance specs of the 2025 Tesla Model Y. The rear-wheel drive variant now boasts 295 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5.3 seconds, with a top speed of 125 miles per hour and an estimated range of 368 miles per charge. The long-range model offers 444 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds, maintaining the same top speed and extending the range to approximately 446 miles on a single charge. In China, the rear-wheel drive Model Y is priced at approximately $35,900, and the long-range model at around $41,400. These prices reflect a 5.4% increase over previous models, aligning with the enhanced features and performance upgrades in the new Model Y. Deliveries are expected to begin in March, pending regulatory approval. That's it for today, guys. You can now support us using the Super Thanks feature at the bottom of this video. Consider becoming a member of our EV Club. For a small monthly membership fee, you'll gain access to exclusive content just for members. Simply click the join button below to become a member. We'll be back again for more car focus. In the meantime, subscribe. Goodbye.